A vendor has fixed the rate of vegetable at 40 rupees per kg, but he could not find the buyers at this rate. So he reduced its price to rupees 35 per kg using the faulty weighter of 910 grams per kg. Then the actual change in the price is, so here 1000 grams 1 kg it is 40 rupees. He'll taking 910 grams only, 910 grams. So 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. 9 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36, 10 is there, so 36.4. But he sold 910 grams at 35 rupees only, so loss is 1.4 rupees. So loss percentage 1.4 by 36.4 into 100. So both contain same digits. Remove the decimals. So 7 twos, 7 fives, again 7 twos, 2 ones, 226, again 2 50s, 2 30s. So 50 by 13, 15 by 13, so 15 13 fourths are 52, so 3 11 by 13 percentage decrease, so 3 is our answer.